gorgeous. I absolutely love this French girl style bob. Like the stylist said, it just brings so much texture and movement to the hair. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So one of the biggest trends that we are seeing this season is definitely the return of retro style hairstyles. So here we have the stylist doing a nice little retro rocker chic look. So cute. This is another great style for adding that texture to your strands. She also has bangs in the front to help frame out her face. Very cute style. Ooh, I really like that pop of blonde she had there on the side as well, playing into that color blocking trend that we've been seeing. Such a cute hairstyle idea. Next up, another retro trend making its way back is, of course, the shag. Now this is another great hair option to add shape to your hair. Very nice. I love how excited she is about her new hairstyle. Next up, we have a dancing hair transformation. So she starts off with blue money piece highlights mixed with black in the back. Ooh. So it looks like she got a full head of that blue hair color. So pretty. So here we have another color transformation. I like the stylist's hair. She's got like this mullet mohawk thing going on. The color looks great. Oh, it looks like she went red. Wow, so bold and daring. Such a gorgeous shade of red. Very pretty. This is such a dreamy hair color. Next up, we have another hair transformation from that dancing stylist. Oh, she went darker. Very nice. I love her natural curly hair. It's so beautiful. Very pretty. So the other day we did a reaction to a male guy. Like, I don't usually do guys when I react to hairstyles. I usually do just women, but it was so much fun. So I thought I would mix it up and throw another male-inspired style here. So when it comes to male hair, we're actually seeing a lot of similar transformations or hairstyle trends for the men. He did kind of like a shaggy Mick Jagger style here. And this also plays into that retro trend that has managed to make a comeback. So when it comes to guys' hairstyles, retro hairstyles are in as well. Next up, we have another retro-inspired style from that same stylist. Now, she is going to go quite short for this one. Oh, I absolutely love the amount of volume that she was able to achieve. This is so cute. Very nice. Beautiful shape to the strands. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.